Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to talk to you about a movement called the rocking Hindu push-up. I've done a video about this in the past, but this is a movement that you need to pay attention to because it can do so many wonderful things for your body, but it can help keep you young and healthy. Matter of fact, I believe that so much, I put this in my book, Discovering You, for how you can keep your body young, able, and healthy throughout your life as you age. This movement here is one of those movements that can do that for you. And what it does is it combines your visual system with your vestibular system. It moves all your joints through a wonderful range of motion, mobilizes your spine really well, just keeps your body healthy. But by the way, a mobile spine is a healthy spine, but a mobile spine is a young and healthy body, really. That's the truth of it. Anyway, this is what it looks like. You rock back, you look down, and you lower yourself down to the floor and you start looking up as you dive towards the floor and you push yourself up. Look at the spine. So it goes through extension, the head and neck go into flexion, the knees and the hips go into flexion. Look at the shoulders going into extension, the elbows full flexion, the wrist flexion, the neck goes into extension. And best of all, this movement feels amazing. And you know, it feels good to feel good, feels good to feel young. This movement will make you feel young. It'll help restore your youth. And there's a flow to it. It feels awesome. And when you push yourself up, if you want to, and you should, you can push your knees down into the floor and that contracts your glutes, which opens up your hip flexors. So from the front, just so you can see what's going on with the eyes look down, the neck goes into flexion, the body goes back into flexion, the eyes start looking up, and the head and neck go into extension, the spine goes into extension, the glutes activate, the hip flexors open up. This movement, done every day, well, it'll keep you young and healthy. Again, I feel so strongly about that. I wrote about it in my book, Discovering You. It is part of the daily 21s for vitality. Does so many wonderful things for you. Give that a shot. In fact, do it every day, 21 times. 21 repetitions every day. And then do it for 21 days and see what you think. And then write to me, Tim@originalstrength.net. Hey Tim, that was really awesome. Anyway, that's our tip for this week. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! I don't see so good, damn it. It looks like young Timmy thinks he's a regular Bill Shakespeare. And you know what? Maybe he is. He has been known to rhyme on some occasions. But do yourself a favor, listen to young Timmy and run yourself down to the old Amazon and buy yourself a copy of Discovering You. Because if you do, you might discover you. And that's what it's all about, discovering you. And you all want to discover me, because if you discover me, you'll be with me in a van down by the river. Okay, that's not true anymore. I actually live in a box down by the pond, but it's a cow pasture and it's all the mushrooms you can eat, let me tell you. It's wonderful. Anyway, like I said, hop on down to the old Amazon and do yourself a favor and get Timmy's book. See you later.